So, hello students, today in this video we will learn about the kinds of sentences. First of all, I just want to tell you that what is sentences? What is the difference between sentences and simple words? Now, the sentences are actually the group of words which must be having a subject and verb, and it is also having an object. Now, while discussing about the kinds of sentences, there are four types of sentences. First is declarative, second is interrogative, and the third one is exclamatory, and fourth one is imperative. Now I will tell you that how you can differentiate between these four kinds of sentences. Now moving to the first kind, it is declarative sentence. Now what are declarative sentence? Declarative sentence are just the sentence which is making the statement or which provide you information. So the declarative sentences are which are just a very simple sentence, like I have written, the sun rises in the east. Now what is it? It is just a simple statement. It is just a simple information. Now second example is he is playing. You can write over here that they are playing, they are cooking, they are planning a party, they are planning a get together. Now the next example is the sky is clear. Now you can see that under the declarative sentences, the examples written over here are very simple statement and the sentences which are providing you the simple information. Now moving to the next kind, that is interrogative sentences. Now simple the interrogative sentences are in which we ask a question. Like if you meet someone and you want to know something about them, that from where you are coming or where are you going and what are you eating, what are you having. So these sentences are called the interrogative sentences because in this you are asking the simple questions from the next person. Now the examples I have written over here, that is, did you finish it? In it, a person is asking that have you finished your work? Now here is who are you? A very simple sentence which I have given you the examples earlier, that you can ask a very simple question from someone. Now moving to the third kind, that is exclamatory sentences. Now in the exclamatory sentences, in it we express a strong emotion. You must be seeing that I have put here sign of exclamation. These are called the sign of exclamation. Now in it we are just full of surprise and we just want to express our strong emotion, like what a beautiful sunset, what a beautiful red rose, what a beautiful dress she is wearing, in which we are just full of surprise. The next example is when you are full of happiness. Hurrah! I have won the match. Alas, we have lost the match. Now in it the subject is presenting its grief. It's a person when he is having any problem, then he can use the word alas, that we have lost our home. We have lost our home in an auction or whatever. Now moving to the last kind, that is imperative. Now the imperative sentences are very simple. In it a person is requesting, a person is giving order, a person is giving any suggestion, like I have written here. In it we make commands or we make requests. Now the examples are, in making command we can give command to someone, open the door, open the window. Now in making the request we can say, please give me a glass of water, and in suggestion we can say, you should obey your parents, you should do this. In which sentence we are just requesting someone that he or she should do something. You should obey your parents, bring me a glass of water. Now I hope the students can easily differentiate between these four kinds in the sentences: declarative, interrogative and exclamatory, imperative. That's all.